I will never look at car interiors the same way after seeing 2024 market was valued at $2 billion and forecast $3 billion by 2030. Premiumization of cabin features, personalization pushing custom lighting experiences, EVs pouring UX budgets into cabins, LEDs lead with about 42% market share, footwells dominate applications at roughly 61%. APAC rules at about $1 billion, roughly 66%, Europe about $465 million, North America about $76 million, LATAM about $37 million, MEA about $28 million. Competitive landscape. LEDs lead. OLEDs follow as the next option. Fiber optic systems appear next. Laser lighting also enters the mix. OEM refresh cycles standardize multicolor lighting packs. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.